Once upon a time, in a quaint little town, there lived a girl named Lily and a boy named Ethan. They were childhood friends who spent their summers exploring the woods and sharing secrets by the riverbank. As the years passed, their friendship blossomed into a deep love. One evening, under a sky painted with hues of pink and orange, Ethan finally mustered the courage to confess his feelings to Lily. With trembling hands, he told her how his heart had belonged to her for as long as he could remember. Tears welled up in Lily's eyes as she confessed her love for him, too. Their love grew stronger with each passing day, and they faced life's challenges hand in hand. They supported each other through thick and thin, sharing dreams of a future together. And, as fate would have it, that future became a reality. On a beautiful spring day, surrounded by blooming flowers, Ethan got down on one knee and asked Lily to be his forever. She said yes with tears of joy streaming down her face. Their love story had come full circle, from childhood friends to soulmates. Their wedding was a celebration of their love, and they lived happily ever after, creating a lifetime of cherished memories together. Their love story was a testament to the power of friendship, love, and the belief that true love can conquer anything.